For most of human history, industry depended on one thing above all else: human labor. Factories were built around people. Production lines moved at the speed humans could handle. Mistakes were expected, fatigue was normal, and limits were accepted. That world is disappearing. Right now, across the planet, machines are quietly taking over industrial systems that once relied entirely on people. Not in a dramatic science fiction way, not with humanoid robots walking the streets, but through something far more powerful: automation. Inside modern factories, warehouses, and industrial zones, machines now make decisions, coordinate movements, and optimize production with minimal human input. This transformation is not coming in the future, it is already happening. Walk into a modern manufacturing facility, and the first thing you notice is the silence. Fewer people, more machines, robotic arms moving with perfect precision, automated vehicles transporting materials without drivers, sensors tracking every movement, every temperature change, every delay. This is the new industrial environment. Machines do not get tired. They do not make mistakes from stress. They do not slow down at night. They operate continuously. At the heart of this transformation are industrial robots. These are not futuristic prototypes. They are massive mechanical arms bolted to factory floors, performing tasks that once required dozens of workers: welding, assembly, painting, packaging, quality inspection, each movement calculated, repeated thousands of times with microscopic precision. Modern robots are guided by advanced vision systems. High-speed cameras and sensors allow them to see products, detect flaws, and adjust in real time. If something is slightly misaligned, the robot corrects it instantly. No supervisor needed. Beyond the factory floor, automation is transforming logistics. Warehouses that once relied on forklifts and manual labor are now filled with autonomous machines. Robots navigate massive storage spaces, picking products, sorting packages, and loading shipments. Entire fulfillment centers can operate with only a handful of human supervisors. This is especially visible in global supply chains. Containers arrive at ports. Automated cranes unload ships. Self-guided vehicles move cargo across terminals. Software systems decide where goods go next. Speed increases. Costs drop. Human involvement shrinks. And this is not limited to consumer goods. Heavy industry is undergoing the same transformation. Steel plants, automotive manufacturing, electronics production, energy infrastructure. Machines now handle tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or extremely precise. In many cases, humans no longer touch the product at all. They monitor screens. They analyze data. They intervene only when something goes wrong. At the center of this system is industrial software. Machines are no longer isolated tools. They are connected. Sensors feed data into centralized control systems. Algorithms optimize workflows. Artificial intelligence predicts failures before they happen. If a component is about to wear out, the system schedules maintenance automatically. Downtime is minimized. Efficiency is maximized. This is known as predictive manufacturing. Instead of reacting to problems, machines anticipate them. Factories are becoming living systems, self-monitoring, self-correcting, increasingly autonomous. But the transformation goes even deeper. Modern factories are no longer designed only for production. They are designed for data. Every machine generates continuous streams of information. Every movement is measured. Every second is analyzed. Production managers no longer walk the floor to understand performance. They watch dashboards. Real-time digital twins mirror the physical factory. Entire facilities can be simulated, tested, and optimized virtually before a single machine moves. This allows companies to redesign workflows without stopping production. Mistakes are corrected digitally before they happen physically. One of the most significant changes is flexibility. Traditional factories were built to produce one thing. Modern automated factories can switch tasks quickly. Robots can be reprogrammed. Production lines can be rearranged digitally. Custom products can be made at scale. This is transforming how companies compete. Those with advanced automation can respond faster, produce cheaper, and operate with fewer risks. Those without it fall behind. This shift is global. Asia, Europe, North America. Every major industrial region is racing to modernize. Governments invest billions in industrial automation. Companies partner with robotics manufacturers. Entire industries are being redesigned around machines. The result is a new industrial hierarchy, not based on workforce size, but on machine intelligence and automation capability. Factories are becoming data centers with mechanical outputs. Information flows first, physical production follows, and as machines take over operational tasks, humans are being pushed into new roles. Engineers, system designers, maintenance specialists, data analysts. The factory worker of the future is not on the assembly line. They are behind a screen, monitoring machines that never stop working. This transition is not smooth everywhere. Some regions struggle to adapt. Others accelerate rapidly. But the direction is clear. Industry is no longer human-centered. It is machine-centered. And this is only the beginning. New generations of robots are becoming more adaptive. They can work alongside humans. They can learn new tasks. They can operate in unpredictable environments. Combined with artificial intelligence, machines are moving beyond simple repetition. They are beginning to optimize entire industrial ecosystems, from raw materials to finished products, from factories to global logistics networks, from local operations to planetary-scale systems. The machines taking over industry are not replacing humanity overnight. They are reshaping the foundation of production itself, quietly, efficiently, relentlessly. The factories of the future are already here. They are just not full of people. They are full of machines.